Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your call history on Messenger. So first of all, just open your Messenger application on your mobile and here basically you see all the chats you did. Another noticeable thing is that there is nothing that shows call history or simply an option where you can see all of your call logs. If you just tap on these three bars in the upper left corner and then click on this settings, you can see there is nothing that shows your call log or call history. What Messenger does do is save it all in the conversation with that particular Messenger user. Let's just click on this guy over here and then you can see there is a thing saying Mr. Fazan chat here. And the bad part about the Messenger it doesn't have a simple and easy way to view all of your call history. It is always stored in your chat with just that one person that you are chatting with. Therefore, in order to check everything and remove this, you have to tap and open up your conversation with that particular person. And whenever you see a video call here, what you want to do is tap and hold on it. And then at the bottom it says remove. So go ahead and tap on it if you want to remove. So you have to go through each and every person you've called and remove that one by one rather than pressing one button to remove all call history. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.